You gotta be fucking shitting me, man.
Don't go back to that shop. It's honestly, it's sad that people run business that way in this country, you know?
Good afternoon, PREMIERTIRE. Thank you for calling. How can I help you?
This one by far the craziest.
Yeah?
Like the craziest. Like when we get there, I won't say too much, but when we get there, you'll see. It's honestly a lot of things we do, bro. It's not like anybody can just get up and go do it. Like you actually have to have proper training to do that, because you could very bad. Like when I say very bad, I mean very like costly.
Yeah.
Like you'd be working for 40 years after just trying to figure out how to just pay that simple mistake back. You don't do it properly.
Boys, the Cullinan is getting the Velos wheels, and we're gonna raise the suspension up a bit. Alright, so you guys know, customer brought in his vehicle. He recently purchased it. It already had these Velos forged wheels on it. We inspected the vehicle. He was experiencing a really bad vibration upon inspection. It turned out that all 4 wheels were bent. What did we do? We did a full rebuild. So, what does that mean? This is a 3-piece forged wheel. The face, the outer lip, and the inner lip are 3 different parts. Also, what we did for this client is we replaced all of the ARP hardware just to make sure that he's safe. Not bouncy, nothing. Like exactly how you want to call him to drive. So I'll let him know now. Good job, Frankie.
Guys, make sure you guys follow Winston. Winston_PREMIERTIRE. Tap in below, baby.
Let's get it rolling.
I've been waiting for the camera to show up the mount these, because I wanted to show, like, you know, firsthand and mount on these ECL Forgiato two-tone with the lipstick, you know what I mean? You gotta do it the right way. You always gotta make sure it's set before you scratch your face. When we balance the tire, especially on these aftermarket wheels, we like to roll force. So there's a thing called roll forcing. So what it does, it compresses the tire, treats it like it's driving on the road, checks for any vibrations, any hops. So what we have right here is a 48 run out. We want it in between 18 and 13. That's the range. 48 is way too high. So we're gonna bring the run out down to that. And that's where you get the process of spinning. So this is the softest part of the tire, matched with the more aggressive side of it. You'll see it here when you go here. Super tedious though, but it's worth it. You get a much better ride when you do a proper roll force and a force match. Especially on these aftermarket wheels, like these 3-piece wheels.
Bro, what do you put on
Just
me,
wanted
bro?
to let the camera know I watched this with the wife, so just next Friday, you know, this is out, we stand, babe. Cause we watch it together and stuff. So show her what we work on and stuff.
Bro, what's
Flex
on me,
on.
bro? What do you put on me?
Nothing, bro.
You did some shit, right, or no?
Okay, open the box.
If he did, I didn't see it.
Is that my bag?
Open the box. I want
No, you're good.
I was trying to say it's up to the wife because we're gonna watch this together.
The truck just showed up right now and we will be unloading the pallet. Basically, we just ship on pallet when we're doing cross-border just to minimize issues going forward for our customers and for ourselves. Thank you, my guy. I appreciate it. See how light these wheels are? Shout out my guy Stance Wheels. I'm actually the guy that started importing Stance Wheels into Canada. Been selling Stance Wheels longer than the guys at Stance been employed by Stance. Just getting this guy all excited. He's driving 2 hours to come and pick up his wheels. He follows us on social media and whatnot, so we'll get him involved in the unboxing. I'm not gonna open the wheels. I'm gonna let him come here. He'll open up the wheels himself. It'll be like Christmas in January, baby. Let's go. Caleb!
You're putting in the work, so.
How are you, big guy?
Good, bro. How are you?
Very good, man. Very good. The wheels are in.
Yes, sir.
We'll open. You can open one front and one rear.
Holy. Let's go, man. I take it right out.
Oh yeah, of course. See how lightweight that wheel is? They offer premium finish. This is a brushed instead of a machined. A lot of the wheel companies, they do a machine finish. This is an actual brush finish. Nice. Look at the sparkle. Deep concave. Beauty. So these are custom tailored wheels. They're 9.5 fronts and they're 10-inch wide rears. These are going on a M340. What year was 2020 M340. This is the 5-on-112 bolt pattern. Custom tailored, perfect fitment, because that's what we're known for, baby.
Oh boy. Alright, this truck's getting 4 spacers. Why? Because the wheels weren't fucking purchased from us. That's why. Look at this dog shit. Customer says the car shakes like crazy and you can't even drive the car. Well, this is probably why. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different places. This is what happens when you get the Kinder surprise.
The Kinder surprise. I like that one. Put this. Wait a second. The front of the wheel is black. Yeah. Let me see the inside.
Oh, you gotta be f***ing me, man.
It's spray painted.
They only did the front.
They left the wheel on the car.
The studs are speed.
That's why the tips of the studs are black. I was thinking, why are the tips black?
Look at this.
Thank you. Sounds good. Thank you.
Brother, I have a question for you.
Yes.
Who powder coated these wheels? Who painted them?
Some.
Don't go back to that shot.
I know.
Don't go
You
back.
keep saying some.
Brother. I'm telling you for your own good, don't go to these types of people, bro.
That's what happened.
The guy didn't even take the fucking rim off the car. He went like this.
Really?
It's not even powder coat, it's paint.
Spray paint.
The inside is silver, the outside is black. It's honestly, it's sad that people run business that way in this country, you know? Shout out my guys, South Simcoe Storm. My guy Nax. Let's go, baby.
Hi guys, right beside me, got a brand new G-Wagon that literally just came in from the dealership. Customer picked it up, the dealership put on the winter tires for the car, and he's like, nah, F that. We gotta get the summers on, so we had them waiting for him. As soon as he picked it up, he came right here. It's hard to get the green on camera.
Mechatronics. We're here to pick up a Rolls-Royce Cullinan. If you need any mechanical work done, any maintenance done on your exotic vehicle, check them out. These guys do top-of-the-line work. Coming through here, you're going to see some of the craziest things going on. You'll see Lambos, McLarens, everything taken apart. So let's go for a walk. Another Rolls-Royce Cullinan done the right way, lowered on them fitted specs. On top of that, we topped them off with those Forgiato NB6 wheels and 24-inch staggered, wrapped in some Yokohama Prado Spec X. Now, coming around to the front, we blacked out all of the chrome. This vehicle did start off with all the grills and all the trim pieces done in chrome. Coming around to the side, if you take a look, you'll see all the bottoms have been done in gloss white, all the handles, all the chrome has been done in gloss black. Further to this, if you take a look at the back, all the pieces in the back have been fully blacked out as well, giving it a nice, much sportier look. Following this, if you take a look, the bottom, the exhausts, all the trim has been properly painted. This is not wrapped, this is not 3M. This is properly painted, and that's why it shines so good.
He actually put that in there. He put it in. Look, Carmen walking in. Look at Carmen walking in. Oh, sorry. You're looking for Carmen. Hold on one second. Let me get you Carmen. Hold on. Just pretend you're Carmen.